Are you looking for the best crowbar in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best crowbar that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Vaughan B215 15-inch original crowbar. We're kicking off this best crowbar review with today's best choice, which comes from Vaughan. It's their 15-inch super bar, and it really is a fantastic must-have multi-tool for any aspiring home DIY enthusiast or professional. It can deal with a multitude of useful jobs, not just prying and wrecking, including scraping paint and also pulling nails up. Constructed from spring-tempered carbon steel, it's certainly highly durable, and that bright, bold blue finish gives it a touch of the super power about it. Super bar by name, and so it seems by nature too. With a shepherd's crook rocker head design, it delivers maximum power and leverage, with minimum effort required on your part. The super bar does the bulk of that heavy prying work for you. It also additionally and very conveniently features 3 beveled nail slots for even easier twisting and prying, along with a sharp, polished blade for easy insertion. The 15-inch design offers excellent leverage, and we rate this as being an excellent tool for homeowners and tradesmen alike looking to invest in something that can withstand heavy-duty use. No problem. The price is budget-friendly considering the amount of prying power on offer. Up next in the 4th place is the Stanley FatMax Xtreme 55-120 crowbar. Stanley certainly knows a thing or two about delivering high-quality, hard-working, and powerful home and professional tools. Their lineup of products is also instantly recognizable with their iconic yellow and black packaging, and can be found being used the world over on many a build and repair project. Their FatMax FewBar utility bar is certainly one heavy-duty and multitasking piece of kit, and we've picked it out today as our premium product recommendation. If you have the budget available, and you are looking for something that will quite literally last a lifetime and do 4-in-1 jobs, then this is going to be an essential piece of kit for you. This utility-style crowbar has been purposefully designed to withstand heavy demolition work and can be used for prying, splitting, striking, as well as board bending. It's forged from one single piece of stainless steel, which is what provides it with that superior strength and durability. It additionally features a board-grabbing jaw sized for 2x lumber, as well as a beveled nail slot perfect for prizing out those hard-to-reach, rusty old nails. The handle has been ergonomically designed with a textured comfort grip to deliver control and manageability. Overall, the FatMax FewBar has then been finished with a highly visible powder coating and heat-treated to prevent chipping when being used under pressure. With an impressive lifetime limited warranty also on offer, this really is a premium choice and a serious option for any professional tradesman or DIY enthusiasts with a demanding home project in the pipeline. This Stanley tool really could be the ultimate multi-purpose demolition tool. It might not fit your tool bag, but it is a tool worth having. The 3rd product on our list is the OffGrid Tools Trucker's Friend Demolition and Crowbar. Something a little bit different looking up next from OffGrid in the unusual shape of their Trucker's Friend multi-tool. It's certainly no ordinary looking prying tool, and that's because it's not. This is your backyard best friend. Whether you're in an emergency or survival situation out in the back beyond, or about to tackle a serious demolition job, this cool-looking tool from OffGrid has got your back. We even reckon it could save you from the zombie apocalypse. Yes, really, it's that good. It's hardcore and a hard-working all-purpose tool that supports all those tasks from hacking and prying to pulling and pounding. It shows no mercy and takes no prisoners. That's because it features a carton steel curved axe alongside a hammer, nail puller, tire chain hook, that pry bar, of course, a spanner, as well as a useful lever. All those tools are connected via a non-conducting high-quality and durable fiberglass handle that also features a shock-absorbing grip. So the tool takes all the pressure from the blow, not you. All round, we rate this as being a seriously handy multi-tool that will deliver impressive results in many a hair-raising situation. Second on our list is the TEKON 305/71 Utility Crowbar. The next crowbar that we're reviewing today is 305/71 Utility Pry Bar from TEKON, and it just so happens to be our best value recommendation, as the price truly is outstanding at sub $5. It's a versatile, dependable, and multi-purpose contoured bar, which features a broad flat end as well as a separate high-leverage rocker-style end for when you really need some additional power. It makes the perfect tool for all kinds of trim and carpentry work. And because it's only small too, you can use this in tight spots that might otherwise be difficult to reach. It's excellent at all-purpose prying and is nothing short of a workhorse when it comes to its nail-pulling power. Small and lightweight, it won't take up much space or weight in your toolbox and is easy to handle in tight spaces. The sharp, slim chiseled end is excellent for trimming and molding work. With nail slots at each end too, as well as in the middle of the pry bar, you can get at nails from a multitude of positions, giving you all the leverage you require to remove them effortlessly. It's constructed from high-quality forged and heat-treated steel with a durable enamel finish, which makes this handy multi-tool rust and corrosion resistant. This little guy might quickly become your new best friend when it comes to DIY and carpentry jobs around the house. All that, and the price is nothing short of a steal. Finally, the top product on our list is the Vaughan Pry Bar 1035A. Our next product recommendation comes from Vaughan, who has been manufacturing quality tools for tradesmen for over 90 years now. Vaughan Pry Bar 1035A has been specially designed for use by painters and decorators, and is part of the manufacturer's Painters series, with extra functionality included for effortlessly holding, scraping, and trim removal. It's longer than a standard pry bar and has been designed so that it will fit underneath trim for smooth and safe extraction. The pry bar features a soft, smooth-to-control rubberized handle that has been molded to the high-carbon steel blade to deliver precision, strength, and also anti-fatigue comfort. The blade itself has purposefully not been painted so that it won't scuff or damage paintwork to walls where you are working. It also features a set of handy nail pullers as part of the integral design. It's the perfect little professional painter's companion, excellent for when you need to remove the trim from painting, and also for use on both interior and exterior painting jobs. Make sure you also check our guide to the best hammers. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.